Hey, welcome back. In this video, gonna discuss about how we can now who share our posts and reels on IG. So for this feature, you have to make sure your Instagram is updated and now open it. Go into the profile icon. First, you have to make sure your Instagram account is professional. So now switch it into professional account. For this, you have to click on three dotted lines, scroll down. Now click on account type and tools. Click on the first option, switch to professional account. Next, choose your category. Switch to professional account right here. Next, click on cross, and now okay. So it has been converted into the professional account. Now you have to choose your video or post on which you want to now who share your reel or post. Go into view inside. You can see that 96 people have shared my reel. Okay, now go back. Copy this video link. Copy it. And now go into the profile icon. Click on three dotted lines. Scroll down and click on have report a problem. Right here, you will put a message to Instagram team. Paste the link of the video. After few hours, Instagram team will send you the email in which there will be all the details of your reel, the people who share the reel on their Instagram. I hope this tutorial is very helpful. Do like, share, and subscribe the channel. Thank you very much.